Winter weather led to a surge of crashes in Nebraska's capital city. As much as 7 inches of snow fell in Lincoln. And as Newswatch 7 at 9 Capitol Bureau Chief John Grunwald reports, police responded to more than 100 crashes.
Snowfall led to a record-breaking number of crashes in Lincoln.
The Lincoln Police Department responded to 95 crashes across the city on Thursday, more than the previous high water mark of 90 in a single day in December 2020.
Keep in mind, these numbers do not account for other types of snow-related calls, including roadside assists and traffic hazards, so crash totals were in the triple digits.
The Lincoln Emergency Communications Center answered 834 calls between 3 and 7 p.m.
That's approximately 4 times the average number of calls we typically see during that time frame.
In one case, police say an LPD officer put himself in harm's way, stopping in the path of an apparently impaired driver on the wrong side of the road. The driver crashed into the officer's cruiser.
The sergeant had a headache and some neck pain from the crash, but is expected to be okay.
The Lancaster County Sheriff's Office also swamped.
We had more accidents and calls for service than we were able to have deputies out.
But law enforcement weren't the only ones busy at work. Many lawmakers over at the Capitol hunkered down in Lincoln overnight, giving a chance to cross the aisle and catch up. Some rare respite after weeks of contention on the floor.
An opportunity to talk to some of my colleagues a little bit more than I normally get to in a social aspect.
The legislative session, now halfway through, will likely see many floor fights ahead as senators mull major cuts to the state budget. Lincoln streets much clearer now, but
we ask all drivers to continue driving for the conditions by slowing down and giving yourself extra stopping distance.
Reporting for KATV News Watch 7, I'm John Grunwald.